Probably about a cup of water.
As you can see, I'm using the USG all-purpose joint compound with the dark green lid. I like to use that for the first skim coat because it has a lot more glue in it, and I'm going over this heavy texture, so it's gonna hold up a lot better and adhere better. For the second skim coat, I'll be using a +3 lightweight joint compound by USG. As you can see, it brings the joint compound and water down into it, so it'll mix it. So basically, you just want to keep mixing it till it all looks to be about the same consistency. And when you're covering a texture, whether it's on a wall or a ceiling, you want to skim coat, you want to keep it a little thicker. I would say about a yogurt consistency would be good on the first round of skim coating. All right, it's starting to look like how we want it. Again, it's a thick yogurt-like consistency since we're going over a thick texture. And this is the first skim coat. Want to go around, make sure, looking good, looking good. All right, so that only took a couple minutes to mix up. I think that's good to go. Now, you want to keep in mind, you're better off mixing it a little thick than too thin because you can thin it down if it's too thick. But if it's too thin, it's going to be difficult to get it thicker unless you have another bucket of joint compound.
Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.